Welcome to another market update. Today is March 16, 2019. Hopefully you are enjoying your weekend. Let's go and take a look at what the market has done the week just went by. Starting off the cash index, looking at the Dow Jones Transportation. This is a weekly chart that we're going to be looking at. Last week I was basically looking for either an inside day or inside week for the Dow Transportation, or a break below this support here at 99.77.80 and come down to this work itself down to this 38.2 retracement level at 96.29. As you can see, it held above this 99.70.80 and put in an inside week. I'm still looking for a pullback to occur and essentially come down to this retracement zone. Dow Jones Industrial was also looking for an inside week and possibly come down and work itself down to this 24,014 level. As you can see, it did break to the 25,439 support, but it also came back and closed the week holding above this support level. And essentially, maybe it will try to work itself back up to this 26,223 potential resistance level. But again, I am still looking for a continuation of a pullback. So maybe I'm just a week early, or maybe two, who knows, right? But I am still looking for this thing to come back down and work toward this 24,014 support level and put in a test. And for the S&P 500, the S&P 500 on a weekly, once again, I was also looking for inside week and possibly pull back to this 2675.47 area. But as you can see, that was not the case. It actually came up, took out the 2795 resistance area and actually closed above the previous week high. Right now, we're going to see will it be able to continue to move up to this 2864, or will it come back in and dip below this support, this resistance level, the 2795, and get back to test this 2738.98 support. And I am still looking for this thing to pull back to the 2675.47. And for the NASDAQ 100, the NASDAQ 100 totally went opposite to what I was expecting. And it actually went to the 7158.78 with hardly any sort of resistance. And then it came up and bumped up against the 73.08 right now. So I'm watching to see what it continue to move to and be able to get up to the 7400, or it will come back in and test this 70.34 support level once again and possibly come back in, pull back to this 6816.23. And that is the cash indexes. So let's switch over and take a look at the ETFs. Starting off with the Diamond, the Dow Jones Industrial ETF, it is holding up at this 257.82 resistance level, and essentially right at the edge of this particular trading band. Either this going to work up and come up to this composite value area high at 261, or it will come back in, tag the point of control once again, the composite point of control 253.55, and maybe chop around there and work itself back down to possibly toward the value area low at 242.54. And for the SPY also came up to the composite value area high at the 282 area right now, essentially bumping up against this as a resistance. So if it cannot break through and work itself toward the 285.50, then I'm looking for this thing to come back below the 279 and into this band, come back to the test the composite point of control at 272.98, chop around and work itself toward back into the lower area of the this trading band. and possibly come down to at least to this support level at 266.98, this potential support level, to get a check here. And for the QQQ, it is sitting up against this 178.12 resistance, unless it could continue to move up into the next high volume area. This high volume node somewhere around 184. There is a low volume node here, as well as sitting right near some little bit of a low volume indentation here. So if it could not get above this 178, I will be looking for this thing to come back in to this composite value area and chop around at the composite point of control and work back down to this 166 potential support level. For the IWM is back up above the composite point of control, getting here, testing this 154.48. We'll see if it could get up to this balance zone, the upper edge of this balance zone, or it's just gonna chop around at the near the composite point of control and work itself back down to this potential support level at 147.92. If you could break above this balance zone, then I'd be looking for this 159.66 or near this potential resistance area 160. Basically near the value area high, the composite value area high. Right, that is this week's market update. Hopefully your week have gone well, and you're enjoying your weekend. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I want to know you like it or not. So thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe and be sure to click on that bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Have a great weekend.